Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by pointing Dreamweaver at the real project. Open Site New Site and set the local site folder so Dreamweaver knows where files live. Once done, enter your server type and credentials and test the connection so uploads will work. Make sure to enable versioning or a local backup before editing. You'll save time and avoid overwrite errors later by syncing remote and local. This first action prevents many common mistakes and gets you ready to edit immediately. You now open the specific HTML or template file from the local site panel and switch to split view so you can both edit code and watch the design update. Edit structure in the live or design pane for quick layout tweaks, and change or update linked CSS and image paths in the code pane so assets load correctly. Once you save, preview in a browser to validate behavior. By alternating views, you catch layout and responsive issues faster, which speeds up iteration. You finish by syncing your edits. Use Put to upload changed files or get to pull remote updates and resolve conflicts. Then test across multiple browsers and screen sizes to confirm responsive behavior and interactive scripts work. If something breaks, check the browser console for JS errors, verify asset paths and file permissions on the server, and re-upload the corrected files. For persistent issues, revert to your backup copy or previous version. Then reapply incremental changes to isolate the cause and fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.